Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about this printer from Paperang. They sent me this cute little thermal printer, the Paperang P2, which is a 300 dpi thermal printer for me to try it out. So I will try to make use of the printout from this printer together with my film photos to create something more interesting. If you are interested in getting this printer, I have links in the video description that will bring you to Shopee or Lazada. There will be a $5 discount if you use these links and discount code. Right, so let's go! Alright, so I received a package. Let's do an unboxing to see what is inside. Alright, so what I have here is the Paperang pocket printer. This is the newer version that has a 300 dpi resolution. I think there are some printer paper for evaluation. Okay, let's take a closer look at this printer. What is inside the box itself. Right, so I think this is the quick start guide, and then we have the printer itself. Right, you can see it's a very small compact printer. Let me put it in my palm. So it comes with a USB charging cable also, where we'll plug it into this USB port to charge it. Right. Alright, so there are also a few different kinds of paper for me to try out. So these paper are from Paperang. Right, so let's see what's inside. So there are 3 rows here. Let's see what are they. Okay, the first one is the rainbow paper. So there's different color on the paper. Light yellow, light blue and pink. Right, so the next one is a sticker paper. So I guess this is a paper that you can stick on the journal or your notebook. And the third one is the 10-year paper. So it is whiter than the normal label paper, and it can also last longer, like 10 years. Right, so strongly recommend that you get the Paperang paper. They are very good in quality and they are also chemical free, mainly BPA. So you can see the size of the printer compared to my palm, quite compact, and to use it is also quite simple. If you need to on it, just press the power switch for 3 seconds or so. It will light up indicating that it's on. And to off it, you do the same thing. Press it for another 3 seconds and it will turn off. Right? And to load or change paper is quite straightforward also. You can see an arrow that's pointing downwards. What you need to do is just press it down and then it will open up. So to load the paper is also quite straightforward. Just put it this way. You can pull out the top of the paper past the cutter and then just close the printer again and slide up. Right? Once you hear the click sound, meaning it's locked. Right? So let me show you how I can print from the app itself. So one quick way to pair the mobile phone to the printer is to double click on the power button of this printer. Right? So what it will do is that it will print out a QR code. So after printing out the barcode, what we can do is to use the mobile app. There's a scanner function here. Right? And we use it to scan the QR code. And it will connect to the printer. So if that is done successfully, you will see the status of here is being updated. It's showing you that it's connected to the Paperang P2 printer, and the paper inside is the 10 years paper. Of course, you can click on the drop down list to change it to the correct paper that you have loaded inside the printer. Right? Okay, so if you have been watching my channel, you will know that I do a lot of analog photography. So today I want to see how this printer can be helpful for my work. Right? So I think one way is that I can make quick copies of my photos. So let me show you how I do that. Of course, this is not limited to film photography. You can use it for any photos you have on your phone. But I would just like to take a copy of my film photo. Let's say this one. This is a portrait of my daughter on Instax film. So let me take a copy. I will do a simple crop, simple editing. Okay. Maybe I make it to a square format. Okay. And save it. Right, so I've taken a copy of the Instax photo, so I'm going to use the app to try to print it out. Right, so I go to image slicer. Right, locate the photo that I've just taken, select it, click on confirm. Right, so below there's a function on the quantity that is for slicing. If you want to slice the photo into multiple pieces, I'll keep it at 1 for now. And there's also a function where you can adjust the brightness and the contrast. So you may notice that there's some loss in the color resolution in the preview window on top. That's because it's going to be printed as black and white onto the thermal printer with only 300 dpi, right? It will be printed in black and white. So let's send it to the printer by clicking on the little printer icon on the top right hand corner. Right, and they'll let you confirm the length of the print. So just click on yes, and here you can make some more adjustment to the print in terms of the density and also the quantity that you want to print. So you confirm you want to print, just click on the print icon, right, and you can see that the print job is coming out. Okay, so this is done, so we can just tear it off. Right, and you can compare it with the print, right? So this little printer is convenient to make a cheap and fast print. Of course, this is not only limited to taking copies of the photos that are printed, but you can actually just print any photos that you've taken with your mobile phone and such. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to load the sticker paper. Try out the sticker paper. For the sticker paper, it's slightly different. You have to load it this way, the bottom side up. Okay, so put it across this way, slide it up to lock it, right, and then on the printer. Right, and you also notice that I've changed the paper type to sticker paper. Okay, so I'll go to template maker, and there are different kind of template that you can use. Let me choose the one in sticky note. A lot of cute design here, so maybe I pick on this little birdie, right, and you can actually add some text onto the template itself. Maybe I put the name of my daughter. So I'm going to stick this next to the Instax photo that I have taken of her, and that photo was taken in November 2021. So you can shift the text down a bit. So once ready, we can send it off to the printer. So again, click on the little printer icon on the top right hand corner. Right, and this sticker is printed. Right. So let's tear it. Okay. Alright, so the sticker paper is quite fun. Just peel out the backing, and then now I can stick it. So I can stick it on something like this, and then later I will stick this Instax print next to it. Right, so one page of the photo album is done. Right, so next I'm going to try the rainbow paper. So again, the paper can be swapped out anytime. Right, and then I will load in this rainbow paper. Okay, so the rainbow paper is loaded the top side up. Again, slide up to lock it. You can tell the access on the printer. First, let me change the paper type to the rainbow paper. So this, I guess this is the colorful paper. So now I'm going to show you how to slice the image into two photo print. So earlier we print this one. Right, so if you remember just now I keep the quantity to 1, so now I'm going to set it to 2, right? So let's see how this will print out. Right, so click on the printer icon. Right, click on yes to confirm and send it off. Right, so let's see how this print out. Okay. So this is the first slice of the print. I can tie it off right now. And then click on the continue button on the app. And it will continue to print the second slice. Right, so and it's done. I'm just going to use glue stick to glue the paper to my album. This is the use of the colorful paper and the image slicer. So I find it quite interesting because some shades of color mixed together with the black and white print make it quite unique. Alright guys, thank you for watching to the end of this video. So what do I think of this small printer? Well, I like it for a few points. I think first of all, it's very small and compact. I could easily bring this around. Secondly, the ongoing cost of using this printer is pretty low as this printer does not use any ink. What you need to continue to buy are the label papers. Thirdly, what I like is the availability of the different kind of label papers, the 10-year paper, the sticker paper, the rainbow paper, and there are other kinds of papers that you can buy and try. Of course, this printer is not going to replace a photo printer. A photo printer can print in a higher resolution and in color, where this thermal printer is only printing in black and white and the highest resolution is 300 dpi. So, but what I think is that we can make use of the printout from this thermal printer together with our color or film photos to create something new, like what you see I did with my photo album. Right, so again, if you're interested in getting this printer, check out the links in my video description. You can either buy this printer from Shopee or Lazada using the discount code that will give you $5 discount. Okay, once again, thank you for watching this video. Do take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Hi guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please like it, share it, and finally do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you at my next video. Take care. Bye!